how to search filters on Instagram. So what we'll do is we'll open our Instagram app, then we can simply click on our story option right there, and after clicking on our story option we'll see camera right there, and we'll click on it, and we can see a lot of filter right there. As you can see that there's a lot of option, but what we need is we need to search a particular filter for to use on our Instagram. So we will scroll all the way to our right and see a search bar. We will click on the search bar, and then we can see a search bar again. Then we can simply click on it and search any particular filter that we need. So here I'm searching for one, and I will simply click on a filter that I liked. So yeah, that is how we can use this filter. And then if we again need any other filter, or if we want to save this filter as itself, what we can do is we can simply click on it, and then after clicking on it we will be able to see a save effect option right there, and we will able to save it. And then what we can do to find other is the same way, and we can search from for any other filters that we like. So yeah, that is how to search filters on Instagram.